Hey guys, Melissa here with ShirtSpace. Here today with a quick run through on how to place an order on our site. Now you'll want to head to ShirtSpace.com. Select products by using our search bar at the top of the page, by shopping by brand or category, or by using the navigation on the left-hand side of the page within each category. Once you have added all the items to your cart you would like to purchase, hover over the cart and select Proceed to Secure Checkout. Enter in your zip code if requested. From here you can select your preferred shipping method. Under Shipping Methods, it will tell you the number of shipments and the estimated arrival date. It will also inform you of this under each individual item, as some items may have different estimated arrival dates based on the warehouse it is shipping from. After selecting your shipping method, click Checkout. If you are not already signed into your account, please choose if you would like to continue as a guest, create an account, or sign in. Next, you will enter in your shipping address and click Save and Continue. Next, enter in your card information. If different from your shipping address, uncheck the Same as Shipping Address box. You will now be asked to enter in your billing information. Please note that this will not change your shipping information. Now click Place Order. From here, you are all set to review your order summary. You will now be receiving 2 emails from us. The first email will contain your order summary. The second email will be from us once your order has shipped and will contain your tracking information. Thank you guys so much for stopping by for a quick run through on how to place an order on our site. If you're wanting more helpful videos like this, click that subscribe button and have a great rest of your day.